Good morning, dear students. Welcome to all of you in online classes of mathematics. And next question of exercise 5.2, question number 11. Use matrix method to solve the following system of equation. Question number first, given that 2x minus y is equal to minus 2 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 3. Okay. To equation first, 2x minus y is equal to minus 2 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 3. Use matrix method. Okay. Matrix form of the given system of equation H. Okay. Matrix form of given system of equation is 5, 2, minus 1, 3, 4. Coefficient of x and y 2, minus 1, 3, 4 into x, y is equal to 2, 3 minus 2, 3. Okay. Implies ax is equal to b. Implies x is equal to a inverse into b, equation first, where matrix A is equal to 2, minus 1, 3, 4. X is equal to xy and b is equal to minus 2, 3. Okay. Matrix A into matrix X is equal to matrix B. Implies X is equal to A inverse into B, equation first. Okay. Where matrix A is equal to 2, minus 1, 3, 4 and X is equal to xy and B is equal to minus 2 and 3. Because find the value of A inverse x is equal to xy and b is equal to minus 2, 3. But A inverse, value of A inverse. Okay. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Formula of A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Because determinant A is equal to 2, minus 1, 3, 4. Implies determinant A is equal to 4 into 2 at minus 3 into 1, minus 3, it means plus 3 is equal to 11, not equal 0. Determinant A not equal 0. So A inverse exists. Okay. A inverse exists. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon A, determinant A. Order of matrix A is equal to 2 by 2. Direct adjoint A is equal to, hence adjoint A is equal to 2, 4. Interchanging A11, A12, it means 2, 4 interchanging, and interchange sign minus 3, minus 1, plus 1, plus 3, minus 3. Okay. It means 4, 1, minus 3, 2. Adjoint A. Okay. So A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Okay, implies A inverse is equal to determinant A is equal to 11. It means 1 upon 11 into adjoint A 4 1 minus 3 2. Okay, A inverse is equal to something. From equation first, x is equal to A inverse into B implies x is equal to xy, matrix xy is equal to A inverse 1 upon 11 into matrix 4 1 minus 3 2 into matrix B is equal to minus 2 3. Okay, matrix A into matrix B implies xy is equal to 1 upon 11 into first row first column 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 3. Second row first column minus minus plus, it means 6 plus 6 is equal to 1 upon 11 into minus 8 plus 3 minus 5 6 6 12. Okay, xy implies xy is equal to minus 5 upon 11 12 by 11. Equality of two matrix, matrix A and matrix B. A is equal to B. Equality of two matrix. Equality of two matrix. Okay, implies x is equal to minus 5 upon 11. Okay, and y is equal to 12 by 11. X is equal to minus 5 upon 11 and y is equal to 12 by 11. Okay, that is the answer. Next question. Question number 12 है. If matrix A is equal to 1 minus 2 0 2 1 3 0 minus 2 1, then find A inverse. Find the value of A inverse. Okay, and solve the following system of linear equation. Linear equation x minus 2y is equal to 10, 2x plus y plus 3z equal to 8, minus 2y plus z is equal to 7. Okay, before matrix A is equal to something and find the value of A inverse. Okay, determinant A is equal to 1 minus 2 0 2 1 3 0 minus 2 1 implies determinant A is equal to, on expanding along, R1 is equal to 1 into 1 plus 6 plus 2 into 2 minus 0 plus 0 into minus 4 minus 0 is equal to 6 plus 1 7 plus 4. Determinant A is equal to 11, not equal 0. Determinant A is equal to 11, not equal 0. So A inverse exists. Okay, upon finding the cofactors of matrix A. Okay, cofactor f11 over 1, f11 over 1 is equal to cofactor of element 1. F, it means cofactor of element 1 leaving the corresponding row and column of element 1. It means 1 3 minus 2 1, 1 into 1 1, minus 3 2, minus 6, it means plus 6. It means 1 plus 6 7 is equal to 7. 1 plus 2 even number, it means positive. Okay, f12 over minus 2 cofactor of element minus 2 is equal to leaving the corresponding row and column of element minus 2, 2 into 1 2, minus 3 into 0 0, 2 minus 0 2. Okay, but 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 3 odd number, it means negative sign. Okay, next element 0, it means f13 over 0 is equal to 0 leaving the corresponding row and column of element 0, row and column 2 1 0 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 1 into 0 0, it means minus 4. 1 plus 3 1 plus 3 4, it means even number, it means positive sign. Okay, similarly element 2 1 3 0 minus 2 1. Okay, f21 over 2 is equal to 2, f22 over 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so Fij is equal to f11 f12 f13 f21 f22 f23 f31 f32 f33 is equal to f11 f12 f13 7 minus 2 minus 4, 2 1 2 minus 6 minus 3 5, 7 minus 2 minus 4, 2 1 2 minus 6 minus 3 5, 2 1 2 minus 6 minus 3 5. Okay, implies adjoint A is equal to transpose of matrix Fij is equal to transpose of matrix Fij. 7 minus 2 minus 4, 2 1 2 minus 6 minus 3 5. Okay, and A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A, implies A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant A. Determinant A 1 upon 11 into adjoint A 7 minus 2 minus 4, 2 1 2 minus 6 minus 3 5. Okay, hence given that linear equation x minus 2y is equal to 10, 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 8 and minus 2y plus z is equal to 7. Okay, so matrix form of system of linear equation is -1 -2 0 2 1 3 0 -2 1 into x y z is equal to 10 at 7. Okay, matrix form of system of linear equation is coefficient of x y z x1 y -2 z 0. Similarly, equation 2 and equation 3 x y z is equal to 10 at 7 10 at 7 implies a x is equal to b implies x is equal to a inverse into b equation first. Okay, a inverse is equal to something equation first. Okay, where matrix A is equal to 1 -2 0 2 1 3 0 -2 1 x is equal to x y z and b is equal to 10 at 7. Okay, from equation first a inverse is equal to 1 upon 11 into matrix. Okay, x is equal to x, it means x y z is equal to a inverse is equal to 1 upon 11 into 7 to -6 -2 1 -3 -4 to 5 into matrix B 10 at 7. Okay, is equal to 1 upon 11 into matrix A into matrix B, first row first column, second row first column, third row first column. Okay, 70 plus 16 minus 42 minus 20 plus 8 minus 21 minus 40 plus 60 plus 36. Okay, is equal to 1 upon 11 into 17 plus 16 86 minus 42, it means 44 minus 20 minus 21 minus 41 plus 8, it means minus 33 and 11 is equal to 1 upon 11 into matrix A is equal to 4 minus 3 1. Okay, matrix x y z. Equality of two matrix. Equality of two matrix. Equality of two matrix implies x is equal to 4, y is equal to -3 and z is equal to +1. Okay, x is equal to 4, y is equal to -3 and z is equal to +1. That is answer. Question number 12 complete, and we will discuss in next video. Thank you so much.